Hello everyone, today you have joined the CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to delete browsing data in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Over time, Google Chrome will go and save your browsing data. And this is going to range from your search history to cookies to cache and much more. And so, for whatever reason, you want to go and delete and clear it. Perhaps you want a fresh start, or you only want to do it for a certain time frame. It doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. Just remember, when you go and lose it, you won't be able to go and access it again. For example, your search history. That can be sometimes useful. If you're sure you want to do this though, let's go and get started. So, what you need to do is you need to head to the top right of Google Chrome. There you're going to go and find the three dots, which you can then click on, and you'll see a list of options. Go to the bottom and you can find Settings, the second option, and click there. Next, you need to go over to the left and you want to go and find the option for Privacy and Security. And you can go and click there like so. Then, at the top of this list of Privacy and Security, we've got the option for Delete Browsing Data. Says Delete History, Cookies, cache and more. So you can go and click there like this. Now at the top you can go and choose the time frame. So in this case you may want to just do the last hour. If you press more you can do all time. Now you can go and choose what you want to go and delete. So as you can see we can go and do browsing history. You've got cookies and other site data, cache images and files. Download history. You can show more as well. So select what you want to go and have deleted. And then at the bottom you can go and press the option Delete Data. Press it there. And as you can see the last hour has been deleted. As I said, you can go and do it for different time frames as well. For example, you may want to do all time if you want to go and have a fresh start. So that's it. You can also go and manage your other Google data by clicking here. And you can go and delete it. For example, your search history in your Google account as well. You can click there and go and delete it from here as well. You can come back at the top and you can then go through and for example clear your activity in your Google account and also passwords and passkeys if you want to as well. There's lots of different data you can go and delete.